Mobile phone explosions have become a significant cause of concern for the parents since it can cause a threat to the safety of the children. The latest tragic incident involves an 8-year-old girl from Kerala. In this video, we will discuss some key points that the parents need to follow to avoid mobile phone explosions and ensure the safety of their children. 1. Use original chargers. One of the most important reasons for the mobile phone explosions is the use of duplicate or non-standard chargers. Using duplicate chargers can cause the battery to overheat, leading to an explosion. It's very important to use standard charger that comes with the mobile. 2. Avoid extreme temperatures. Mobile phones should always be kept away from extreme temperatures, whether it's hot or cold. For example, if the mobile is kept in a car parked under the sun, the battery can overheat and explode. 3. Don't overcharge. Overcharging a mobile phone also can lead to an explosion. It's a very common practice for people to keep the mobile charging throughout the night. Always remember to unplug the charger once the battery is fully charged. It's always recommended to avoid using the phone while it's charging because it can cause the battery to overheat. 4. Don't use damaged batteries. Using damaged or swollen batteries can also lead to the mobile phone explosion. Always replace the battery if it is damaged or swollen. 5. Avoid physical damage. Physical damage to the mobile phone can lead to an explosion. Dropping the phone or hitting it can damage the battery. It can cause a leak and eventually explode. Therefore, it's essential to handle the phone with care and use a protective cover to avoid the damage. In summary, remember to always use the original charger, avoid extreme temperatures, don't overcharge, handle the phone with care, and don't use damaged batteries. Stay vigilant, stay safe. Do you agree with this video? Please share your comments regarding this. Please like the video and share it with your friends. Also, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you.